Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Indian zucchini curry. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh zucchini, onions, and tomatoes. Don't forget ginger garlic paste and a selection of aromatic spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander powder. Also, have your cooking oil, water, and fresh cilantro ready to go. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pan or pot over medium heat. Once hot, add 1 finely chopped onion and sauté it gently until it becomes beautifully golden brown and translucent. Next, stir in 1 teaspoon of fresh ginger garlic paste and cook for about 1 minute until fragrant, being careful not to burn it. It's time to add the stars of our dish. Introduce your diced zucchini and chopped tomatoes to the pan, mixing them well with the sautéed aromatics. Now, sprinkle in 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Pour in 1/4 cup of water, cover, and let it simmer gently until the zucchini is tender. Almost done, taste your curry and season it with salt as needed. For an extra layer of authentic flavor, stir in a pinch of garam masala. Finally, garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro just before serving. This vibrant and delicious Indian zucchini curry is best enjoyed hot with fluffy rice or warm flatbread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.